Our first unit in psychology will address biological psychology, also known as neurobiology, psychobiology, and it's sometimes referred to as physiological psychology. Psychobiologists are people who investigate human anatomy and physiology in order to explain human experience and activity. Psychobiologists investigate and try to explain organs, tissues, cells, and molecules, such as DNA, that play roles in what we experience or do. For example, your motor neurons facilitate movement, and your genes provide codes for the formation of organs and proteins. Psychobiologists also investigate how the parts and systems of the human body act and interact in order to facilitate cognition, behavior, emotion, and your motivation. For example, the neurotransmitter acetylcholine signals muscles in your eyes, allowing you to change direction with your line of vision. In our unit on neurobiology, we will briefly explore the parts and substances of our bodies, those substances and parts which permit us to communicate, like the neurons, neurotransmitters, and bodily hormones. We'll also investigate the parts of the brain and other parts of the body that are responsible for thought and action and emotion. Your task for class tomorrow. Watch the following 4 film clips and explain by reference to biological forces the motivations or behaviors of 2 of the 4 individuals. Based on this short introduction, you may elect to base your explanations upon some inherited or genetic forces, brain functioning, hormone action, or some other biological forces or parts. Think hard and write out your explanations. I have a sample for you which follows.
I'm just going to come out and say it, I guess. I'm in an intimate relationship with Chase, sexually and emotionally.
You're in an intimate relationship with your car?
Yes.
And sexually with your car?
Yes.
It's your car?
Yes.
How does that work? How can you have sex with a car?
Mainly it's just a lot of just rubbing up
It's
against
happened.
him.
Chantal has 19 pet rats that she keeps in her 2-bedroom apartment, and she treats all of them like her children.
Each of the rats have different personalities. Burger.
And I'm addicted to eating deodorant. My life revolves around eating deodorant. When I wake up in the morning, I want deodorant. After each meals, I want deodorant. When I'm stressed out, I eat deodorant. Middle of the night, I wake up out of my sleep, I want deodorant.
Do you need any help with anything today?
I actually am looking for paint markers.
We do have some marking pens.
Okay, could we look at those?
Yes, ma'am,
Could
we
you show
can.
me that? Thank you. Would you mind if we used it just so I can try those out? Just trying to see if this is similar to what I have used in the past. If you don't mind, I know this is going to sound strange, but
you have a use for these other than the intended use?
Truthfully, I do.
Those are fairly potent chemicals. Usually something says permanent. That's pretty well permanent.
I understand.
50-some years of hardware. This is one for the books.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find the paint markers that I was looking for. Bye-bye. I don't know that opening up to Mr. Johnny is going to make it any easier for me to open up to friends and family, but I know that I need to do it. I have to.